Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is a great day at the shop because it is Thursday, June 1st, which means two awesome things. First up is our row for the Row by Row Experience 2023 is available starting today. So if you don't know about the Row by Row Experience, it's where participating shops all over the world actually put together a 9-inch by 36-inch row pattern. And then during the event, which runs now through the end of August, you can come into the shop or any other participating shop and pick up a free row pattern. Our row pattern has full-size templates. All you have to do is tape them together and you're ready to make your own hippo row. So patterns are free in the store. If you are not local and you'd still like to get in on it, we do sell kits online and all of our pre-ordered kits are going out today. So if you have placed a pre-order with us, they're going out in the morning mail. I believe our mail carrier usually comes any minute now. So I know Roberta got here early to put these together to get out in today's mail. Otherwise, you can come into the shop to buy a kit or you can come into the shop to get a free pattern. And they're going to be available, like I said, all the way through August. So if you love hippos and you love hippo parties, come and play Hippo Party with us. Next up, another reason that today is awesome is because we finally get to unveil and unbox and unwrap Bloomsville by Tilda. So this is the latest collection by Tilda. It has been absolutely under wraps until right now. So today is the first day we were allowed to unpackage it and sell it, and we are excited to share it with you. Bloomsville is an explosion of bright colors and flowers in bloom, perfect for summer projects. The feature design, Garden Vista, is inspired by a sweet motif found on a vase found in an abandoned factory. The bold floral, late bloomer, is that what this one is? Yep, that's what this one is. Takes inspiration from Indian chintz with large imaginative flowers. The collection includes bold colors such as tomato, blueberry, turquoise, and corn. Tomorrow, we will be showing you the blenders and the pre-cuts from this collection, but it is so much fabric that we thought it would be good to split it up. So we do have pre-cuts and we do have the blender group as well, and we will be sharing those with you tomorrow. We may also have a special surprise to share tomorrow. So if you think you've seen it all, you should definitely still tune in tomorrow. Now this one I wanted to open up. This is the original feature design. And it's really, really pretty. Yeah, that's right side up for you. Good. So come on in and take a close look at that. And we have that in 4 different colorways. Really nice. And a little different for Tilda. She's normally kind of small flowers. So this is a nice departure and pretty exciting. Oh, and check out the selvages here. That's really fun. For those selvage collectors in the crowd. I like this colorway. I'm kind of falling in love with mustard. Not the food, just the color. I like that print a lot. And it almost looks like it has gold on it, but it doesn't. But the way that the color is laid in with the little shine on the bottom makes it look metallic, but it is not. I do like all the kind of world inspiration in this collection. There you go. And we have 4 more. 4 more. I'm running out of words today. It's getting a little quiet around here. Oh, that's fun too. The selvage at the bottom of that one. The different colors. So we do have other slightly older collections of Tilda in the shop as well. Some pieces from previous collections. So I'll be sure to link that in today's video. I will also link the information for the Hippo Party and for Row by Row Experience in general if you want to see if you have participating shops in your area or maybe places where you're going to travel this summer. I hope you have a great afternoon and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.